Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a very quick acanthus leaf. Now this acanthus leaf anybody can make, I firmly believe that, and it's a great way of adding a little extra pizzazz to things like hooks or fire poker handles or things like that. So I'm going to show you this real quick. You all have seen a version of this acanthus leaf before possibly in a live stream or another video. Now I did do a video very similar. I'll put a link to that there and down in the description. But the purpose of this video, and this is what I want you to take home from this, is how quickly you can create something like this little element, this acanthus leaf here, with fairly simple tools. I have a 3-pound cross peen hammer here. I like smaller cross peens, but this has the right peen size for it. It's got approximately a 3/8 inch radius here, or a, whatever you want to call it. That would be a 9.5 mil radius there. And I've got a saw face hammer. And we'll show you how these two are going to play together here real quick. So, first step in this operation, we're going to take and drive down a fairly short point. Keep it about 1 inch long. You don't have to go super thin with this point. It does help if it's kind of pointy. Definitely makes it look more leaf-like. And you want this thing to be a symmetrical leaf. You don't want it to be an asymmetrical leaf. That means you don't want it all off to one side. Alright. So there we have it. So we got 1 point, that's 1 heat. Let's go ahead and heat this up again. I'm going to film straight through in this video so you can kind of see how that actually works. Let me back you up a little bit. Hopefully we'll still be in shot here. You guys can't see it on your end, but I can see it here. I've got what they call focus peaking on my camera, so I can make sure that everything's in shot, which is very handy when you're filming. Anyways, back to the project. Next thing, we're going to start necking off the section for where the leaf is going to be. I suggest doing this on the horn of the anvil. It's a great place for it. So far, this is just step 2. It's just step 2. Starting material size was 3/16 by 3/4 inch wide. I do not know what 3/16 is in metric. I apologize for that. But somewhere around 6 mil will work for you. Probably 5 mil or something like that. 4 or 5 mil will work just fine. Get a good heat on this. And we're going to go to the horn. We're going to leave about 3 inches or so. And drive just straight down. Going to create our blade of our leaf, just like so. Give it a brushing, and now we're going to lay this out cold. We'll use our third hand here. We're going to use the peen of the hammer, and with the saw face hammer, create a groove, a fuller groove right down the center. Again, saw face hammer hitting a hardened hammer. Do not hit 2 hardened hammers together. You will regret it. Okay. So we got that in one go. Hopefully you guys can see that just fine. We've got a groove started there. Go ahead and get it hot again. So as you can see, if you're watching the clock on me so far, this isn't 5 minutes. But this 5 minutes here, say a little over 5 minutes, if you're getting in the swing of doing these, can add a good extra 50 bucks in your pocket when it comes to making a hook or making something of maybe a fire poker set. It can add, just having leaves like this, can add another $50 onto your end of line, if you will, or the bottom line. So it's very much worth it. I'm going to get this revved up here. blacksmithing coke, and so it does require a lot more air from you when we're hand cranking if you're running a hand crank. Okay, pull that out. Again, flip that over. Make sure we're lined up, and that's going to give us our spread we're needing. Yep. Then we're going to come along at a diagonal. We're going to put in the flutes. Switch hands because I'm ambidextrous, like that. And we're going to put the flutes on the other side. And then we can possibly do one more heat here just to deepen all those up. Hopefully you guys can see that. So there you go. That is a really quick leaf. I will go ahead and deepen this just a little more here. But as you can see, in about 5 minutes, or just under 5 minutes, I was able to make this little acanthus leaf. Now, you can do this a bunch of different ways. This is just one stylized version of acanthus leaf. There's more of the classical version. And if you hold on a second, let's go over here. But you can apply acanthus leaves like this to things like hooks. That's another tutorial video that'll be coming here soon, where I do this stylized acanthus leaf hook. But you can see how that could add, you know, potentially quite a bit of extra money to a job. And you do acanthus leaves like this, you can do them with the sharp points, you name it. And say you had a gas forge, or say you had an electric blower where this is blowing, or even hand crank, you would have 3 or 4 of these going at a time. So really, you could complete about all of them in about the same amount of time. Really wouldn't be that bad for you. And again, you're adding just that much extra value to your customer. Just something to think about. And last one. Good. We're going to call that it. Anyways, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to leave a like. If you'd like to support more videos like this and help Jessica and I continue to educate the blacksmithing world through YouTube, consider going over and checking out our website, blacksmithpdfs.com. It is a great place where you can find all sorts of things, from blacksmith cheat sheets and how to sell 50 hand-forged items, and all the SEO figured out for you, and tons of power hammer plans and the things of the like that to help you as a blacksmith. So that's it for today. God bless you all, and as always, we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.